The following video covers the operation and features of the Stored Locations database for the Fixed Locations tab only. Look for our separate videos that cover the Program tab and the List tab. The Fixed tab allows you to store and recall the following: a pedestal position which is stored as a green label, a geo position which is stored as a yellow label, a latitude and longitude target which is stored as a blue label, and finally a satellite slot location which is stored as a black label. Let's start with creating a pedestal stored location. Using the pedestal position window, press the Store button. An Add Stored Pedestal Location pop-up window will appear, allowing you to store the current pedestal location to the database. Enter the name for your store location in the Name field, which will be read until you type in a name. For this demonstration, we will name the stored location as Pedestal. Now, let's create a geo-stored location. Change the pedestal position window to geo position by toggling the pedestal geo switch at the bottom right-hand side as shown. Now, press the Store button. An Add a Geolocation pop-up window will appear, allowing you to store the current geolocation to the database. Enter the name for your stored location in the Name field, which will be read until you type in a name. For this demonstration, we will name the stored location as Geo. We will now move on to creating a latitude and longitude stored location. There are two ways to enter new latitude and longitude stored locations. You may manually enter them in the target coordinates box shown here, or if you have an internet connection, you may browse the map in either map or satellite view and select a target lat/long to store. To demonstrate, in this video we will use the map to auto-populate a latitude and longitude. Using the map and your mouse, right-click on the map on a location you wish to store. Notice the green marker pin is placed on the map and that the target coordinates window has been auto-populated for the location. An azimuth bearing and line of sight distance between your location and the target location has also been auto-populated. With the target coordinates populated, press the Store button to store off the latitude and longitude target location. An Add Stored lat/long pop-up window will appear, allowing you to store the current target latitude and longitude to the database. Enter the name for your target latitude and longitude in the Name field, which will be read until you type in a name. For this demonstration, we will name the target latitude and longitude as lat/long. We will now move on to creating a satellite slot stored location. If your Nextmove antenna positioner has at least 0 to 90 elevation range, it will have the ability to swap between satellite and terrestrial modes of operation. Open the System Settings tab and toggle the switch from terrestrial to satellite mode. You will notice that the map window has been updated with a polar plot window indicating the positioner is now in satellite mode. You will also notice that the latitude and longitude target has changed to a satellite slot location target. Now, let's enter a slot location for the desired satellite. For this demonstration, we will use Galaxy 19 at 96.99 degrees west. You will notice that the desired azimuth and elevation angles have populated below, which indicate where the Nextmove positioner will move to based on your current location on Earth. Press the Store button, and then an Add Stored Slot pop-up window will appear, allowing you to store the current slot location to the database. Enter the name for your slot in the Name field, which will be read until you type in a name. For this demonstration, we will name the slot Galaxy 19. So, how do we use these stored locations? After you've built all your desired locations, you may double-click on any of them, and a Nextmove positioner will return to that stored location. If you would like to manage your stored location, the button in the lower left corner of the Fixed database allows an operator to manage the Fixed database. You will find here the Stored Locations Manager allows the operator to go to any of the pre-stored locations by pressing the Go button located at the far left of the stored entry line. Edit any entry by clicking directly over the field, such as the name, or delete any individual entry, upload an externally saved database, download your current database, add new locations with the Add button, or delete all entries. Lat/long entries also have a default checkbox. If you check a lat/long as default, it will be used to move to a specific location on power-up. For example, if a Nextmove positioner is mounted to a vehicle that moves to multiple locations, the default lat/long will allow the positioner to move to a new location, and once it arrives on power-up, it will point back and establish a link with the target location. Lastly, if you have a positioner with a minimum elevation travel range of 0 to 90 degrees, then your positioner software will have a sun button. The sun button allows the operator to track the sun. This can be useful when operating outside and trying to eliminate any azimuth error from a Nextmove positioner. The sun track button will be covered in greater detail in our program track video. This concludes the tutorial that covers the operation and features of the stored locations database for the fixed locations tab only. Thanks for watching!